One storm, some serious damage, one call. That's all it takes to save your home. At Metro Builders Memphis, we're your 24/7 rescue crew, offering emergency tarping and same-day no-cost inspections to stop leaks now before they spread. Your Metro Builders team responds fast, protects your home, and helps you plan your next step. Our roofs come back by the Owens Corning Platinum Labor Warranty. That's 25 years workmanship and 50 years materials. And Mule-Hide's 30-year no-dollar labor warranty. Protection, speed, and savings. That's Metro Builders. Call now to book your free inspection.